Just an apple and it's ready in 10 minutes. I'm going to start by adding 1 egg, then 3 spoons of sugar. Going to beat it real good. Now add 200 grams of cream, grate a lemon peel, some cinnamon as much as you like. Add a grated apple. Now just mix everything. Next, add 1 cup of flour and a spoon of yeast. And mix again. Now grease a pan with a bit of oil. Spoon small amounts into it. Spread it a bit to even it out and let it brown. Now we just flip it. Do that and let the other side brown. Guys, our pancakes are ready. I topped it with some honey, but up to you. Hope you guys liked it. This was another recipe from the kitchen. Big hug. See you next time and thanks.